What's up, Ham Radio? Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, the Ham Radio Adventure Guy. Thanks for stopping by, your one stop for everything adventure radio. Today, I'm taking cover under this shade tree at this local playground because I want to work an SO50 pass and it's 93 degrees outside. So let's do this. Stay tuned. Whiskey 1, Radio Charlie Papa, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, EM79 roving.
Echo 8, Papa Zulu Victor, W1, RCP, Echo Mike 81.
That's Papa Zulu November, Robbie.
1 RCP, this is Kilo Delta 0, Quebec, Papa Charlie, Echo Mike 38. Kilo Delta 0, Quebec, Papa Charlie, W1, RCP, Echo Mike 81. W1 RCP from WB0, WQS Echo Mary 27. Echo Oscar 21.
Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, even EM79 roving.
Kilo Foxtrot 8, Charlie Quebec Victor, Echo November 74 on HT.
Kilo Foxtrot 8, Charlie Quebec Victor, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, EM79 roving.
79, Kilo Solid 73 from Northern Michigan.
Thanks a lot, buddy. Good contact, 73.
84.
Echo Mike 84, 85, Kilo 1.
Kilo Echo 8, Papa HQ, Echo Mike 84.
Station calling Papa Zulu November again.
Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu Victor, W1, Echo Mike 81.
Papa Zulu November, Papa Zulu November, Robbie.
I got you, thank you, 73. Papa Zulu November, November 9, Echo Alpha Tango, from Victor Echo 3, Echo Oscar 21.
QSL, good contact, EM79 roving.
Whiskey Alpha 2, Mike November Alpha.
Whiskey Alpha 2, Mike November Alpha, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, EM79 roving.
Roger, Echo 94.
Hey, thanks a lot, buddy. Good contact.
Kilo Foxtrot 8, Charlie Quebec Victor, Echo November 74 on HT.
Golf Delta Juliet, Fox November 33. Golf Delta Juliet, November 9, Echo Alpha Tango, from Victor Echo 3, Echo Oscar 21. Whiskey 2, Golf Delta Juliet, Fox November 33.
Whiskey 2, Golf Delta Juliet, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, EM79 roving.
Echo Oscar 21.
Echo Oscar 21, this is Kilo Foxtrot 8, Charlie Quebec Victor, Echo November 74.
Fox 8, Charlie Quebec Victor, November 9, Echo Alpha.
All right, we have lost a pass over the horizon. We had one guy on there with really poor audio that kept going over top of everybody, so made it for a rough pass, but you know what? It's satellites and we're having fun. If you like this video from Ham Radio Adventure Guy, click up here in the corner and watch another one. And while you're at it, click down here in the corner, subscribe. Make sure and follow us on all social media sites. And as always, thanks for sharing my adventure with me.